Hello everyone. Our today's topic for topic Decodified discussion is the Election Commission of India. We'll see why and news, what is Election Commission of India, what is the composition of Election Commission, then what are the functions of it, what are the constitutional provisions for Election Commission, then what are the challenges which it faces, then we will see what is Model Code of Conduct. A question related to this came in the year 2022 mains. Then we will come to a prelims practice question and the mains practice question as well. But before going with the topic, I have a very important announcement for all of you that our coaching ANALYST IAS is launching a super fast prelims batch from 15th of January 2023 itself. This batch can save you a year as it will cover your entire syllabus within 3.5 months. Moreover, there would be regular test series so that you can monitor your own progress as well. And there would be complete guidance and support from our very experienced faculty. Moreover, we have decided that the first 50 aspirants to enroll will avail 25% discount in the fees. So if you are interested or you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to contact at our given numbers, or you can come directly at our office, which is located at Old Rajinder Nagar of New Delhi. Now we'll see why and news. In a recent ruling, the Supreme Court claimed the government pays lip service to the independence of election commissioners, pointing out that chief election commissioners' terms have fallen from over 8 years in the 1950s to less than 300 days since 2004. What is Election Commission of India? The Election Commission of India is a permanent autonomous quasi-judicial and constitutional body created under Article 324 in Part 15 of the Constitution. It is the supreme body vested with the powers of supervision, control and direction over all aspects of electoral governance in the country. The Election Commission was established in 1950 with the primary goal of managing and controlling and responsible for conducting free and fair elections of Parliament, State Legislature, the Office of President of India and the Office of Vice President of India as well. What is the composition of Election Commission of India? A Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners according to the Article 324. Then there are regional commissioners to be appointed by the President after consultation with the Election Commission as he may consider necessary to assist the Election Commission. The conditions of service and tenure of office of the election commissioners and the regional commissioners shall be determined by the President himself. The commission consists of one chief election commissioner and two election commissioners appointed by the President. Tenure can be 6 years or up to the age of 65, whichever is earlier. The Constitution does not prescribe terms of members of the Election Commission. The Chief Election Commissioner and two other election commissioners have equal powers and receive equal salaries, allowances and other perks similar to those of a judge of a Supreme Court. The Secretariat of the Commission is located in New Delhi. Now what are the functions of Election Commission of India? So administrative functions are to determine territorial areas of electoral constituencies based on the Delimation Commission Act. It prepares and revises electoral rolls and to register all eligible voters. It grants recognition to political parties and allot election symbols to them. It also notifies the dates and schedules of elections and scrutinizes nomination papers. Election Commission ensures a level playing field for the political parties in election fray through strict observance by them of a model code of conduct evolved with the consents of political parties. It decides the election schedules for the conduct of elections, whether general elections or by-elections. Then there are quasi-judicial functions. It has the power to settle disputes related to the recognition granted to political parties. It is entitled to act as a court for matters relating to disputes arising out of the election symbol to political parties. It also has the power to disqualify a contender who failed to lodge an account of his election expenses within a given frame of time. Then there are advisory functions as well. Under the Constitution, the Commission has advisory jurisdiction in the matter of post-election disqualification of sitting members of parliament and the state legislatures. It advises the president and the governor on the matters relating to disqualification of members of parliaments and the state legislature as well. The opinion of the commission in all such matters is binding. Then what are the constitutional provisions? Part 15 from Article 324 to 329 of the Indian Constitution, it deals with elections and establishes a commission for these matters. Article 324, superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in election commission. Article 325 says that no person to be ineligible for inclusion in or to claim to be included in a special electoral roll on grounds of religion, race, caste or sex. Article 326 says that elections to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assemblies of the state to be based on universal adult suffrage. Article 327 says that the power of the Parliament to make provisions with respect to elections to legislature. Article 328 says that the power of legislature of state to make provisions with respect to elections in such legislature. Article 325 gives bar to interference by courts in electoral matters. Now, what are the challenges of Election Commission of India? Increased violence and electoral malpractices under influence of money have resulted in political criminalization, which Election Commission of India is unable to arrest. Election Commission is not adequately equipped to regulate the political parties. It has no power in enforcing inner party democracy and regulation of party finances. Election Commission of India is becoming lesser independent of the executive, which has impacted its image. So what is Model Code of Conduct? Model Code of Conduct is a set of guidelines issued by the Election Commission of India for the conduct of political parties and candidates during elections. The Model Code of Conduct comes into force immediately with the announcement of the election scheduled by the Commission for the need of ensuring free and fair elections. Now we will come to our prelims practice question that consider the following statements. This question came in the year 2017. I hope you all can answer this as well. The Election Commission of India is a 5-member body. Second, the Union Ministry of Home Affairs decides the election schedule of the conduct of both general elections and by-elections. Third, Election Commission resolves the disputes relating to splits, mergers of recognized political parties. Which of the following statements given are correct? You can type the correct answer in the comment section given below. There we will let you know if it's correct or not. Now we will come to our mains practice question. This question came in the year 2022, this year itself. Discuss the role of the Election Commission of India in the light of evolution of the Model Code of Conduct. This was all about today's video. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay tuned for the next video.